My name is David, and this is Iandacebro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Bell's Curve Paracord bracelet. Alright, let's get into it. First, what you want to do, because this is going to be alternating, it's going to switch between the two colors that you'll be using to create this bracelet. Since we start, I always start with the upper strand on this design, and what you want to do, you want to take both your sides and come right down in between cords 2 and 3, and let's get into it. Alright, first part, because I always work from right to left, I take the upper cord first and I bring that through. Then what you want to do is, once you come down in the center point between cords 2 and 3, you want to come back up and go over and go in between cords 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 from the opposite directions, as you do like this. You want to leave a little slack off to the side so that you can do the next step in the tutorial. Next, you do the same for the other side, and then what you do, you take your second cord and you bring that up through the loop that was created right here, and you'll come up underneath the cords that came down through the center, like so. Then you take that and then you bring this cord down past the starting strands, and you want to come up underneath and then you repeat the same process for the other side. Do the same thing first before you close the design up, and then do the same thing here, always coming out in the middle of the X. Alright, now close the design up. You want to tighten everything up really well. And then bring that down, bring these tight, and then close off the other cord. This will start you for the next step in the process. And there's the first step. Next, you repeat the process using the secondary cord, doing the same process over again. Bring those down through the center, loop them over, come through between cords 1 and 2, and loop those over between cords 3 and 4. And then follow the same process again, coming up in between where these cords started, and then coming around and finishing it off. Okay, now you want to tighten that up. I'll zoom in for the next one. That's a little too much. And I just brought it right back out to where I was. Okay. And I'll do one more time and I'll end the video there. As you can see, you started off with one color, it switched over to the next, and then it repeats the process over again, like in my post on Instagram. this. And there you have it. That is the Bell's Curve Paracord bracelet. And as always, thank you and have a nice day.